Alright, it is Saturday morning. We're here again. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. I got a contact lens appointment. So I got my lenses in. They told me I should bring my glasses in, so I did that. So Cherie's seen somewhere about plastic bottles and them leaking into water. So what she did was she ordered us some water bottles. So it's like a 2.2 litre bottle from bodybuilding.com. So I'm going to fill that up because I washed hers and I washed mine. So I'm going to just be drinking on that for the day. My aim pretty much is just to get maybe 1 or 2 of these. I'm late. I'm about 15 minutes late for my eye test. So hopefully, you know, they let me through. So yeah, we'll see. Quick. So, because I'm so late, they gotta rebook me. Hopefully the next guy that's due for the appointment don't turn up so I can slide through. So, fingers crossed.
Forget your lenses?
Yeah.
Otherwise you'll be stuck again, yeah?
I'll be stuck up, yeah, I'm always stuck.
These are daily disposable, so when you get home...
Again, he's fully booked, but we can squeeze you in. No problem. When's the best time on Sunday?
Whatever.
Alright, so just got out of Specsavers. They said everything's good. They gave me these new, like these daily ones because they couldn't put the monthlies back in, but for all the guys who wear contact lenses, you guys know they put the dye in my eye and all that stuff. So now I'm done with that. It's about 10:15. Kind of hungry. Charisse went to Debenham, so I gotta find her in there. So I see you guys when I'm in Debenhams. Oh, I finally found Charisse. Charisse was telling me about this place. It's called Treat Kitchen. They got one in Nuts as well, so we're gonna check it out real quick.
Sorry, tell me a little bit. Stockless in black. Yeah.
Oh, looks good, looks good.
Are these the chewy ones or the toffee? They turn your tongue blue.
These are made.
Why do I do this to myself? Alright, so we just left the kitchen, the Treat Kitchen. Charisse got, well, I got Charisse some stuff, some treats. So I got some fizzy bubble gum. Can you see? It looks so good. It looks so good. But guess what? I can't have any. Yay! I'm in warehouse now. Time to get busy. Just got back, well, just finished this little session I did. It was pretty much just like a leg-ish, back-ish kind of session. Didn't do too much because I'm starving now. Charisse is hungry, so we're gonna go get something to eat. And guess where we're going? Turtle Bay. Love it there, so gonna be good. It's gonna be my first meal, so it has been truly earned. Still got this to finish. It's 2.2 litres. And I'm probably gonna have another one when I'm there. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm in. Okay, some Nerf thing going on. I wanna go.
Watch Jeff do this. Just get that one in the corner. What the hell? There.
That one there. Hey! Alright, focus. There you go. Not sure what I want, so I'm gonna go. I think Sharice is gonna go for the brown chicken, and I'm probably gonna get what I always get is the half chicken. So yeah. Alright, so what I've got is sweet potato fries with a half a chicken. Sharice got her brown chicken with rice and peas with some dumplings, and I got jealous, so I've got dumplings too. So we're gonna enjoy that. It's a bit of a little cheat day. Cool. Alright, so just left Turtle Bay. Absolutely stuffed. Normally that I'm okay after that meal. I normally have that meal and I'm okay. But now I'm just absolutely stuffed, so I think my stomach shrunk or something, innit? Must have. But you see that in the distance? I'm gonna have another go, it's fun. I'm absolutely stuffed. You know. More time I can eat more than that, but I don't know. Okay, in town. Where is it? Huh? Oh. Okay, Sharice wanted to go to this place called Gelato Village. There's my sister as well. Still stuffed. Yeah, we're gonna go and try and check it out. I can't have anything, so yeah, cool. Does it peck? Would it attack me? Would it attack me? Oh, it doesn't like me. Would it fly away? Would it in my face? What does that mean? Does it mean that it can't? Oh man. I just want to. Oh, okay. Can you see? Yeah. So got like a mint humbug. My sister called it from Costa. Focus. Why isn't it focusing? Here we are. Yeah. So I'm gonna drink that because yeah, I need a drink. All right. Yeah. Next week. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Alright, so we're getting some ice cream.
No, it should be fine. Thank you.
Happy? Alright, so let me get out the car. Guess where I am? Yep. So we're gonna re-up on some chicken because it's cheap here. I'll see you guys in there. $19.99 for 5 kg of chicken breast. Like I said, you can't go wrong with that, daddy. Alright, so day's done. It's been a good day. Tired. And as you see, I'm pumped. Managed to get a session with my boy, second session of the day, with my boy Teo Robinson. I call him Siler. But anyway, I was gonna record the session, but my battery died. So it's one of those ones, but I'm sure I'll get another session with him. That's my dog. So anyway, I'm wrapping up the video now. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the other side.